Okay, let's attempt to get this is in actions, right? Yeah, let's attempt to get this test to work. Mm, some assign request. Fail. Okay. Mm, okay. Let's see where it breaks at. It breaks on the event store. On the function, should be assigned ticket, right? Assigned ticket function. Okay. So if we go to our event store over here, we have rentals. Oh no, hold up. Where's our services at? Rentals, accept return, issue return. What we don't have is a assigned ticket. So let's copy paste this jargon and we do assign ticket. Come here. Okay. And then we'll do this right here for everything in this specific document. And we'll do that. Okay. And we'll do a Control Shift B. And this right here, what are we going to do with that? Well, supposedly this is a assign request. So that's what it is. And this is how we're going to use it. And there's no notion of assign request defined in our event store solution. So we go to assign request over here and we'll attempt to rental specification data transfer and we'll throw it. We're not using this up here. We'll throw it bottom of this. Okay. And everything else seems to be defined. Okay. So if we go back, this should now go, it should be resolved. Why aren't you resolved? Yes. Okay, it's resolved. So then we have manager dot sign. Okay. And so what's this manager dot assign? Well, should it be manager dot? Nope, it's ticket dot assign. Apparently I have this implemented already. Do I? Yeah, it looks like I do. Submission, what's that? Assign ticket. So this assigned ticket is this the same thing? Assign request is manager token. Assigned ticket is manager token. We have rental issued receipt, description and this assigned to. Yeah, it looks like it. All right, so we're using a signed ticket instead of a signed request. I mean, honestly, okay. So why aren't you showing up? Maybe a signed request is the right one to use, and maybe a signed ticket. I don't know. Let's get rid of this. Let's comment that out for right now, and we'll just call it a sign ticket. Okay. And so then we have this notion of a ticket that will have a assigned, and then that resolves. And so then you just say hell's bells. So there's a signed ticket, there's an in progress ticket, and then there's a closed ticket. So what do you want to do? You probably say in progress ticket and F2 copy. And so then over here, we can say that we're going to call this in progress ticket and replace that. Okay. And then over here, we're going to have a in progress ticket. And then this would be in what do we put over here? What do we put over there? Ticket dot in progress. Let me see. So, oh, because I didn't save it. Ticket dot in progress. That and that should work. And that should build. And then what we want to do is we will have a closed ticket. So copy that and say this would be a close ticket. And over here we'll have a close ticket, and we'll do that for the document. And you would think that there would just be a closed, okay, and then closed ticket like that. And my friend, I think we're in business, man. I think we're in business, my friend. Hey, Gamblor, how's everything going? I want to go you send that message. 10:12 is 10:15. I responded 3 minutes later. I'm sorry. Um, and so like, yeah, we can go over here and we can say edit Azure functions for ticket operations, right? We can say that. Mid and push, and we can go ahead and run. And over here, we can revisit our test. I know it's probably still not going to work. And let's stop this. So then we see a signed ticket. Let's see if anything actually happens. I feel like it should still fail because we're not actually okay, it passes because we're not a signed ticket should probably map to an actual item in the database. Oh, well, here's the question. All right, so I mean, the test passes for right now, quote unquote. But like a signed ticket, should a ticket that references all tickets are going to reference some type of receipt. That receipt is going to be specific to some item ID. which can be extracted from an agreement type. So the question is, do I kind of enforce validation that a ticket can only be created for an item that's in the receipt? I feel like no. I feel like a receipt is already in there. Yeah, I'll leave it alone for right now. I'll leave it alone for right now. So that was a signed ticket. Yeah, set ticket in progress. And what these are doing is I don't think it's actually hitting the a relational database. I think it's only hitting the event store. So we can try to run a ticket in progress. I feel like it should pass. No, not found. Okay. You're not found. Sign ticket function is the name of it. No, I thought we were running a different test. This was called in progress function. That's what it's called. And it's not found. Okay. So then we can say, all right, well, hell's bells. What did we name it in our event store? And we named it in progress ticket. That's what we named it. That's how we shall refer to it. And so we do that. And then the other one is supposed to be closed ticket, right? Yeah. So that's a typo on me. Closed ticket. And I gotta check back to see if you wrote anything else. Okay. And so that should be the same. If I attempt to run the event store, hold up. Say, I don't know, miscellaneous. Here's Jets going by soon. Are we running this? Run it. Okay. That ticket in progress. That should pass, and then we'll run a test called close, and that should pass too. It only passes right now because we're writing it to the event store. We're not writing it to the a relational database. Come on, I need you to go green, baby. No. Okay, so what happened? This issued. How is this issue null? What is submission? How is this even possible? Okay, so something's not right. Uh, yeah, something's not right. It looks like we have a mismatch in our data transfer structures. So we can relook at that. For ticket in progress, it's in progress request, which looks like this. Sure. Okay, so on our client to the event store, we have this in progress request manager token, and then context is assigned ticket. This assigned ticket or assigned ticket looks like this. Okay, in our event store, we go back in progress, assigned ticket. In our event store, we look at our in progress ticket, and these are completely different. It's just completely different. So we have a which one's correct? Context is assigned ticket. This doesn't have the actual assigned ticket. Hold up. If I look at yes, this is wrong. This has a context to it. So in progress requests has this. I'll probably copy that. So over here, we're just going to call this, comment that out, and say that this is a in progress request. And this is not looking right. I'll have to, I don't understand what's wrong. What's wrong? Oh, it's missing a bracy. It's above it. Okay. And so that Control Shift B. And that right there. Okay. And I mean, it's kind of right. These are requests. These are requests. So, like, that's a sign request. So over here, I feel like this should be called a sign request. And of course, this right here, sign request. I'm not how to spell a sign. How do you spell a sign? It's a GN, right? Is it two S's in the sign? I don't know how to spell a sign. That doesn't look right. Yeah, it's two S's. Those bells. I'll just take what I have right here, throw over here. Okay. That should build, man. You should be recognized. And it's like, no. Okay. So then we have an error right here that says delivery request is context dot delivery request. Okay. Um, that should build. And it's like, no. So then I'm like, okay, well, hell's bells, aren't you building? It says because of this in progress ticket. So I'm like, well, in progress, in progress request. And it's like, yeah, in progress request. And it says I'm happy. So I'm like, all right, well, if you're happy, then you should build and you should be green, right? And it says, yes, I do build and I am green. Okay, so control should be periodically check my stuff. Okay, I'm off. I have some customer calls and stuff to do. All right. Yeah, I see you, gambler. It's been real. And so then that closed ticket is the other one that we have. And I want to follow conventions. So I'm going to look for a closed ticket request, closed ticket receipt, ticket open in progress, closed ticket request. That's what I'm looking for over here. I'm going to replace you, my friend, with we're going to comment you. We're going to comment you out for right now. We're going to put you in its place. Okay. And it says in progress receipt. Oh, well, hold up. Oh, okay. Um, okay. In progress receipt looks like this right here. Okay. And so we can maybe, no, it has to go before. So we can go up here and say, okay, we could do this before. It says, okay, I'm okay with that. Close ticket request, right? And so then your closed tickets are your closed ticket requests, maybe. And so we got to eventually go back to our closed ticket function and we got to say that this is a closed ticket request. And control shift B for build that. And yeah, we got to say closed ticket request over here too. Okay, and then we go up here and do that over there. And so, Gamlor. All right, so it's still giving me compilation errors. I'm like, yeah, what is it? Context, right? Dot context. Supposed to be delivery request. Hold up. Context dot context dot delivery request. Okay. Control shift B. And that should build. Okay. And so I think we're okay. I mean, I got some commented out structures, but I'm okay with that for right now. So then we'll say Saint. What is this called? Rental service with event store, something like that. It goes in one of these repos as a check-in comment or as a commit comment, something like that. All right. Okay. Okay. And what do you want to do? We still want to run these tests. Get all these tests passed in initially, and then I'll close out the session. And then another session, I'll actually wire up the SQL Server. I don't know, Thingamajig for these tests to write to. So we do test explorer. Set ticket in progress. Are you going to run? Are you going to be green? Are you going to be green? Are you going to be green, my friend? And you're green. All right, good boy. Okay, next. We got this closed ticket. And are you going to be green? Are you going to be green, my friend? So we run this closed ticket test, asking asking if it's going to be green, and it says I'm green too. I'm like, all right, you're a good boy. All right, and so they're both good boys, and I got green tests. All right, so I'm gonna hop off, and I don't know, sometime later today, hopefully, I'll modify the implementation details of these tests so that they actually create and update um, a relational database entry via SQL Server. So that's my plans. That's what I'm going to do later today, hopefully. All right, I'm out. I'm content for this 26 minutes and take care. See ya. Bye.